warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I do hope everyone is doing great. Don't mind my giggle. Well, my name is Chita Yusuf. I'm one among those who manage the channel as TV. I'm being thankful to our subscribers who have been with us from day one to date, and to our likers also. We are being grateful. We are so thankful to you. Without you, we wouldn't have been here. We wouldn't have gone so far and good. Alhamdulillah. May God bless us in every step we take in our life. I just made this video to tell those who haven't subscribed on this channel yet to rush and grab that opportunity too. And also to our old subscribers, you can just you can press the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever um, we make a post on the channel. Well, thank you so much, and have a great day, a wonderful day. Assalamu alaikum. Ina muku fatan alkhairi. As I said at first, don't mind my giggle. Assalamu alaikum.